How are you doing? Today we're going to fit a handless J-style door, joining the two of them to open together for a larder unit with the right gap bracket. Okay. First rule, cap the first two holes nearest to the spacers. Simple, so you don't screw through the J-style. Only for a handless door. Normal doors, fine. Leave them as they are. First of all, come along, connect. Screwing it into position with spacks 16, 4x16s actually, sorry, 4x16 spacks. Now, as you can see, the smeg is sticking out, the spacers, so it's a simple snap off system. Just open it on again, open it away, pull the two clips up towards you, and they're gone. Screw it back into position. Sorry. There you have it, folks. Door connection, open as one. Goes in any colour, the right gap bracket.